Kumusta? Welcome to our kitchen. This is Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious avocado graham float. This is a no-bake dessert. This is one of the most common Filipino dessert. I hope you're going to like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. And here's our ingredients. I'm going to use 3 ripe avocados. These are large avocados. These are Nestle table cream. If you have heavy cream, that will work perfectly. A sweetened milk and evaporated milk. This is not a sponsored video. You can use any brand, whichever you prefer. Also, this is a cinnamon flavored graham cracker. We're also going to use a few drops of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of milk. And now let's start preparing our avocados. All we need here is the avocado flesh or the meat. We're just going to scoop that and put it on a separate bowl because we're going to puree this or make it like to be a cream. And just do this to the rest of the avocados. Now on this last avocado, I'm going to use the other half of that as toppings. So I'm just going to slice it into thin slices, and I'm gonna squeeze a lime juice on top of it and keep it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to serve the dessert. This will be my toppings. Squeezing a lime juice on top of the avocado will preserve the avocado. It won't change the color. It will help the avocado keep its freshness. So just squeeze that lime juice and cover it with a cling wrap and let it chill in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve your dessert. And now let's start with our cream mixture. We're gonna just add the table cream into our blender. I wish I was using a heavy cream because that will make the cream thicker, but this type of cream will work too. You just have to chill it in the refrigerator for a long time. And just add half of the evaporated milk and half of the condensed milk. And just mix this or blend this cream. You could also whisk it if you don't have a blender. And now this is done. Transfer it in a bowl and let it chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or an hour. Wrap it with a cling wrap. And just keep it in the refrigerator for an hour. And now let's blend or puree our avocados using a blender. If you have a mixer, that will work too. We're just going to puree this until it's creamy. Now we're going to add the rest of the evaporated milk and also the condensed milk. And now you're just going to blend this until the avocado is creamy. Once it's done, the same thing, you're going to transfer it in a bowl. That's a perfect texture right there. We want it to be creamy and not too watery. So just grab a bowl, a clean bowl, and just transfer that avocado cream or the pureed avocado and keep it in the refrigerator for an hour. Cover it with a cling wrap and again keep this in the refrigerator for an hour. Let it chill in the refrigerator for an hour, just like that. And now we're going to pulverize a few of this graham cracker. This will be our topping as well. So just pulverize it and set it aside until you're ready to use it. And now it's been an hour, so let's remove our cream mixture and avocado mixture from the refrigerator. We're going to start layering our dessert. First, give it a little stir, both the cream mixture and the avocado mixture. There's our avocado puree. Give it a little stir. Now on that cream mixture, I'm going to add a few drops of the vanilla extract. I like to add a vanilla extract. It adds a little bit of flavor and aroma to the cream. And now let's begin layering the graham cracker using the whole milk or any kind of milk, whichever you prefer. Just soak in that graham cracker to make it softer, but you gotta do this quickly because the graham tends to crumble right away as soon as it gets wet. You don't have to layer this perfectly, as long as it's covered or kind of make sure it has the cream has a place to stick onto. Now you're going to pour in the cream mixture on top of the graham cracker. Just pour that evenly, and you're going to repeat the process. You're going to lay another layer of the graham cracker, just like that. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's covered, partially covered, it doesn't have to be perfectly layered. And now slowly add the avocado mixture. Just layered it gently, adding it slowly. Just lay that, spread that all over on top of the graham cracker that you just layered. Spread it all over. And again, gently adding the rest of it to create a nice and even layered of avocado puree. Just like that. Use as much as you can and just layer it evenly. And there you go. There's the last scoop of that avocado. And now after this, pour the rest of the cream mixture on top of that avocado puree. This is actually works better if you have a heavy cream, because the heavy cream is more thicker than the table cream. And now just add that, sprinkle that pulverized graham cracker on top of the cream mixture. This will be your toppings. This is optional, but it looks so pretty if you have those pulverized graham cracker on top of the cream. It makes it looks delicious, more delicious. And now you're going to cover this with a cling wrap. Since we're using a table cream, this needs to be in the freezer overnight. Use a cling wrap, make sure cover it nicely, and let it sit in the freezer overnight. And the next day, the dessert is ready to serve. There is our avocado graham float, a no-bake dessert. very delicious dessert. So yummy, so delicious. Top it with the Cool Whip and that sliced avocado. See, the color didn't change because we squeezed some lime on top, lime juice. And top that with sliced avocado. Look how creamy and delicious that is. This is a very delicious dessert. You're going to love this if you love avocado. Thank you everyone for watching Dash of Spices. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, ciao! How does it taste, Jazz?
Good.
Good? You like it?
Mhm.
That's good.
I love it.
You love it?
Mhm.
That's good. As long as you love it. You're eating avocado, you know that?
Yeah.
It's healthy for you.
Mhm.
Nice. Even though you're sleepy, you're still eating it?
Mhm. Until I'm not gonna be like the brownie one.
Then you fall asleep?
On the table.
On the table? Yeah.